All right, what'd you end up picking up?
All right, so after today's run for a grand total of $28, that was after me rounding up, I picked up a few t-shirts to sell. This one is Golden Road Brewing, which I honestly don't know where that brewery is, but brewing t-shirts are selling really well right now since the craft beer boom is big. This is a t-shirt that was, it was a t-shirt for the Uptown Beer and Wine Festival in 2017, but it says Beer Snob on it with a hop as the little O, so that's pretty cool.
That's cool.
Again, somebody into craft beer itself will buy that. They'll be very interested in something like that. What else we got here?
Got this.
Yeah, this is a shirt that's by a brand called Life is Good. You've probably heard of it. Tends to be a premium t-shirt brand. Picked that up for a couple of bucks, and it's a women's t-shirt actually. It says like, "Don't quit your daydream," I think is what it said, which is pretty good advice. This one is a shirt that is 30A, which is actually a popular destination spot in Florida if you don't already know about it. And their shirts, they do a lot of mass marketing with that logo, and so that shirt is one of them. I happen to own one of their shirts and hats, so I know what they go for. All right, this is a firearms t-shirt, F&H USA. Firearm branded t-shirts sell really well. And so that does that, I think, for the t-shirts, right? Firearms. Yep.
Firearms and tactical and stuff like that.
That's right.
Good.
Always sells well.
Some hats.
Yeah, this hat is a Drake waterfowl visor, and it's actually in Georgia Bulldogs colors. These were selling comparatively on eBay for about $28 plus shipping. So to find one used for $2 is actually pretty good. These are just a series of 5950 hats, or the 5950 style hats anyway. Usually I get about 20 bucks a piece for these. This one, the NFL, actually has the NFC teams, and it's made by Reebok, but it's a similar style, all embroidered. I'll probably be able to fetch, I don't know, probably about 30 bucks for this hat, and I paid $3. This hat right here was interesting.
This is the weird one. I had no idea what it was.
Yeah, well, I didn't either at first, but it says hard-tuned overnight parts Japan, and then it kind of has like an address, and I don't know if it's sort of a made-up company or not. It could be a legit company, but apparently these hats are selling for about $30 because anything related to the vehicles, import tuning, Japanese design manufacturers, JDM parts, anything like that is really big and tends to sell really well.
So it looks like you spent 28 bucks and just one of these hats is going to get you that money back.
That's exactly right.
And
that's
then
the plan.
Let's say two of them get you all your money back from sheer profit.
Yep.
And you got all the remainder of stuff for just pocket money.
T-shirts and everything. I even found a couple of T-shirts that I want to keep because there are a couple of things that I like my favorite soccer team, and a shirt from Black Rifle Coffee, which makes the best coffee ever.
Well, you did a lot better job than I did.
Yep. So not too shabby.
Hold that for a sec. I only ended up getting two things. Got me I'd never seen a large Lacoste alligator logo before. Check that out. I found it for regular price. That's odd because they're usually special price. Lacoste, they love Lacoste here. So I'll sell that one for sure, at least for $25. Usually I'd sell Lacoste for $20, but because of that big logo, I'm gonna guess it's gonna cost more. I'm just guessing though. And this is a cool one. This is a Harley Davidson garage shirt. But that's actually pretty cool. That reminds me of like Sons of Anarchy or something like that. That's a good looking design right there. So I bet you this will go for $30 at least.
Oh yeah, easily.
So that was my finds.
All right.
That's it.
All right.
Take it easy, guys. If you enjoy what you see here, give us a like and don't forget to share and subscribe. Till next time.